What will happen after death? Whenever Allah gives the thought, people wonder, what will happen after death? Some say, nothing will happen. We'll die and become dust. That's it. But remember, not a single person has come back from the grave to tell us what it's like. Once bones are crushed and disintegrated, do you think they can be revived? There was a man who brought a decayed bone to our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and crushed it into powder, asking, will we be resurrected after becoming like this? In response, a divine revelation came immediately. Does he not remember that I created him from a drop of filthy fluid? And now he argues with me? Who will revive these bones? The one who created them in the first place will bring them back to life. He sees everything. Light and darkness are the same to him. The surface and the depths of the earth are equal to him. The seas and their bottoms, where even sunlight cannot reach after 800 meters, he sees all. Where humans cannot survive, Allah gives life to strange creatures. Nothing is hidden from Allah's sight, no matter how hidden it is from people. One day, every person will be returned to him. Allah will gather everyone and question them, who is the king today? There will be no response. All the angels will be commanded to die. Even Jibreel, Gabriel, Mikael, Israfil, all the mightiest angels, will fall. The trumpet will be blown. The entire sky and earth will tremble and collapse. Then Allah will say, to whom belongs the kingdom today? And he himself will answer, to Allah, the One, the All-Powerful. This is the world we live in, where lies are sold as truth, where people betray their own blood, where brothers fight for wealth, and where people deceive others for material gain. This world is like a spider's web, fragile and deceptive. Prepare for the hereafter. What happens when Israfil blows the trumpet again? The earth will shake. Mountains will crumble. The entire universe will dissolve. The sun will lose its light. Stars will fall. Oceans will boil. Skies will split apart. Everything will end. And then, Allah will bring everyone back to life. We will rise, naked, barefoot, uncircumcised, just as we came from our mother's wombs. We will be resurrected for judgment. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, I will be the first to regain consciousness after the trumpet is blown. He will see people rising from their graves, disoriented. Who will be clothed first? Prophet Abraham, will be given clothes first. Then others, according to their ranks. Allah will address people. O my servants! I created you, sustained you. I watched over you. Today, I speak, and you will listen. Files will be opened, records of every person. Those who lied, cheated, and deceived will see their sins laid bare. And Allah will command. Separate the criminals. Criminals will be seized, by their hands, hair, and heads, and dragged. They will beg for mercy, please forgive us. But it will be too late. What about the righteous? Those who lived good lives will be greeted with the promise. This is the day you were promised. Enter paradise in peace. Their scrolls will be placed in their right hands, a sign of success. They will shout joyfully. Here, read my record. I knew I would meet my Lord. Children will chant in joy. People will celebrate. But the criminals, their faces dark, their heads lowered, will cry. Woe to us! What is this day? And they will be dragged to hell. This world is temporary. The hereafter is eternal. Your wealth, fame, beauty, none of it will save you. Only your deeds matter. So prepare. Reflect. Wake up. Because everything this message described, it is going to happen.